Welcome back to our channel. Today we explore a meaningful topic: how to use cryptocurrency for donations and supports charities. First, let's discuss the benefits of using crypto for donations. Transactions can be faster, more transparent, and often come with lower fees compared to traditional methods. When donations look for reputable charities that accept cryptocurrency, many organizations are not embarking crypto to reach a broader audience and increase their funding. Making a donation with crypto is simple. Just follow their instruction for wallet addresses and the amount you wish to donate. Always double check the address to avoid mistakes. Donations crypto can also offer tax benefits. In many jurisdictions, you can deduct the fair market value of your donation from your taxable income. In conclusion, using cryptocurrency for donations is a modern and efficient way to support causes you care about. It's fast, often cost-effective, and can provide tax advantage. Always ensure your donations to reputable organizations and double-check your transaction details. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this video inspires you to make a difference with crypto. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.